sa Pilipinas. If they were very fortunate enough na nakapag-celebrate ng 18th birthday, that's the first. And the second is on their wedding day, which is the most special day para sa isang babae. And this gratitude dance for the father, for the relative, or for the kuya only signifies and symbolizes that Marjorie is looking up sa kanyang daddy at sa kanyang kuya para sa gusto niyang mapangasawang lalaki. Yung lalaki, mamahalin lang siya, poprotektahan, at hindi sasaktan. Marjorie is very lucky to have you, Kuya Mark Louie, as you have stood up to be the father of the family. And at this part of the program, Sir Mark, hindi mo napapatagalin pa. Please pay your last respect kay Kuya Mark Louie and get the hand of your wife. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ, at this part of the program, we will be having the first dance as man and wife. But our group here do have a surprise para sa kanyang lovely wife. Miss Marjorie, just listen to the music, the melody, and the voice of our music as you sway to our first dance as man and wife. DJ, music please.
Tita. Alam mo na saan yung damit ni Iki? Sumuko si Iki. Sumuko yung damit niya.
Nino?
Ni Iki. Sumuko si Iki.
Hello. Nandoon sa taas, sa banyo yung bag doon.
Pabalitan ko na lang.
Our group personally recorded and played our background music in